This add-on brings a new approach to texture baking in Blender by leveraging GPU acceleration. At its core is CuPy, a high-performance array computing library that runs on NVIDIA's CUDA platform. CuPy directly integrates GPU computing techniques commonly used in AI and scientific research into Blender's Python environment. This technology allows the add-on to parallel process millions of pixels, performing color transfer, blending, masking, and texture manipulation with astonishing speed and stability. It can operate up to tens of times faster than Blender's built-in rendering bake. The workflow is simple and intuitive. Simply set the source image, UVs, and camera in the add-on panel, and bake the results directly to the GPU. No complex setups or heavy node networks are required. This add-on is designed for artists and technical users seeking a faster and more responsive texture workflow within Blender. For more information, please see the link displayed at the bottom of the screen.